How to fix Instagram DM or direct message not working. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to this airplane button right here, the messages that we have. And let's say you have a new message that you can't really see, or this message that you haven't read yet, but you know that it's there. So all you have to do is to go to your settings, go to apps, and click on apps again. Now you just have to scroll down and search for Instagram. You see right here, and click on storage. Now all you have to do is to tap on clear cache. This will enable Instagram to restart its course of program. Now once you're done, all you have to do is to go back to Instagram. And let's say you still don't see any message that you have. All you have to do is to click on this button right here. And let's say I have a conversation with this person. Now you will be able to see all the history of you and this person's conversation. You just have to scroll up and you will be able to see your direct message with them. So that's how to fix Instagram DM or direct message not working.